So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of complete forex trading and signal giving website. So basically this is a trading investment website where user will invest in different trading plans and earn money by trading over this website. So this is the latest version script. It has 3 different themes and it is the most advanced trading script, and you can also give signals of trading on crypto or forex. So if you want to buy this script, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script. And if you need this complete website with domain name and hosting, we also provide the complete websites. So everything is with 100% complete guarantee, and we will guarantee you this working of script, and there is no issue in the script, and it will completely work, and we will give it to you on a reasonable price. So let's start this video. In this video I will guide you completely about this website, and we will see how we can control this website from admin panel. So you can see the amazing homepage of this website. Here you can change all the details from admin panel. So here you can see different trading codes, and here you can see different plans. So you can see right here you can insert anything in the plan from admin panel. I will show you how we can insert them. So here you can see great features, live API, crypto, and user will invest in these plans and will get these facilities. And you can create as many as plans you want. And here is a starting trading view max, and here are some different options of the home page, and here you can see the chart. So there's API is expired, so that's why chart is not showing, but when you will insert your own API, the new API, the chart will be appeared right here. Here you can see some features and some trading specialist pictures. Basically you can insert your own pictures, or any pictures you want to insert you can insert. And here you can also insert the blogs, and this is a photo section. So basically it is completely customizable site. You can completely customize this through admin panel, and you can also insert here your social media links, or you can also change, you can insert any local language you want. It's very easy to convert to any other language. So let's go to sign in page and let's explore its user panel. So first of all, here you can see the amazing user panel of this website, and if you don't have an account, you must have to create an account by going to sign up, but we already have an account, so we are not going to create a new account. So we will log in with our existing account, and here we have to enter our password, and after entering our password we have to click on login. So it will redirect me to my user panel. So you can see the amazing user panel of this website. So this is the amazing user panel, you can see right here. And first of all, here you can see your total balance, here you can see your total withdrawals, your total currency payment, and here you can see your sport ticket, and here you can see in large text your total balance. So you can see that amazing deposit option. By clicking deposit, you can in the deposit money by using all these gateway, and you can also insert a manual gateway if you want. So let's go back, and same case with withdraw, you can withdraw money by using any gateway. Here you can see your all transactions on the website, and you can see my one transaction of buy, and here you can see some other details. This is your referral links. You can refer different people, and you can also use it as affiliate site, and you can earn money through referral. Here is a graph. So as I told you, the API has expired, so graph is not showing, but when you insert a new API, it's very easy to use a new API, so you can get an API very easily. So when you will insert a new API, the graph will show right here. And here when we go to all signals, you can also generate signals from admin panel. You can give signals to your customers. So when we go to trade option, and here we can trade, so graph is not showing as I told you, so don't worry about it. So you can trade money, you can trade any coin you want. For example, you want to trade Ethereum, BNB, Doge, and you can also trade forex. So if I want to place my order, what I have to do is I have to just select the time. I can place buy or sell order from here, and here you can see that our open trade order has placed successfully. So here is how you can trade money, your money. And when we go to plans, user can invest in different plans of trading. For example, here you can see different multiple plans of trading, and I can easily invest my money in any of the plan I want. So here you can see these plans, and you can give your users these features. So when I click on deposit, same case, you can deposit money, withdraw, I can withdraw money, and let's go to withdraw, and here you can select the gateway and you can easily withdraw money. So basically you can create any gateway you want and by going to transfer money, you can transfer money from one website. For example, I'm using my account on this website and I can transfer my account money to any other account on the same website. Here is the report option. You can see the deposit logs, investment, all these logs off from here. Here are the referral logs. You can see all your referral tree right here in this section. And from profile setting, basically you can change your profile settings. Here is support ticket. User can communicate with admin and admin can answer the user using support ticket. And here's the logout option. And here you can see that I've invested in plan and that plan is running right here. You can see all the time of the plan. And now let's log out and let's log into its admin panel and let's see how its admin will looks like. So viewers, here you can see that we are on our admin panel login page. So here I have to enter my admin login details to enter to my admin, and I'm entering my details, and here I have to enter my password, and after my password, when I click on sign me in, it will log me into my admin panel. So you can see the amazing look of this admin panel, and you can see all the details of your site right here. You can see total payment, total deposit, total withdrawals, total users on the website, total deactivated users, and here you can see your users, plans, signals. You can also see all the reports of the site directly. Here you can see user status. Here you can see different graph of investments, and here you can see the latest subscription list and browser statistics. And now here you can change the admin details from here, and you can change the profile settings, and here you can see all the notifications of deposits, new users registry from here. So when I go to manage plans, so you can easily create a new plan by going to create plan. You just have to click on create plan, and by filling these simple details you can create a new plan. And here you can turn on WhatsApp notification, Telegram notification, and if you want to change the existing plan, so let me show you. Here is how you can change the existing plans. So you can insert any feature you want to provide to your user, and you just have to click on add new, and you can easily add a new features to the plan. So this is how it's easy to create a plan on the website, and these are the signal tools: market type, current pair, time frame, signals. So basically you can give signals to your audience or the users that are using your website from here using these options. From manage affiliate, you can manage all the referrals. So you can give a referral commission to different multiple levels, and from here you can manage it, the referrals of different levels. From manage payment, you can see online payment and offline payment. You can manage from here, and let me show you. From here you can manage the online payments. You can approve different payments and you can reject different payments from here. And when I go to manage deposit, here you can see the manage online deposit and offline deposit. So you can approve different deposits and you can reject different deposits request of users from here. Same is the case with withdrawal. You can approve different withdrawals, you can create a withdraw method, and you can reject the withdrawals. So when we go to manage users, admin can manage all the users on the website. Admin can add balances to their account. Admin can manage everything about the user. So here you can see that. So here you can see that you can add balance to user account, subtract balance, and you can manage all the details of user from here. So let's explore some other options. Here are the payment gateways. You can insert multiple gateways. So these are online payment gateways and offline gateways. So these are all the auto gateways. You can insert them, you can change these details, and you can insert your own gateway. And when I click on offline payment gateway, you can create a multiple offline payment gateway as you want. So you can insert any local gateway such as EasyPaisa, Paytm, or any gateway you want to insert. You can do it from here. From manage settings, basically you can change the site details. So when I go to manage setting, here you can change the site title, you can change website currency, you can use any local currency you want. So you can change the logo of the website, you can insert your own logo, and you can manage all some other details of the website. From manage email configuration, you can manage the email configurations from here. So let's go to manage themes, and let's see there are three different multiple themes, and you can manage all these themes from here. So when I go to manage pages, from manage pages, basically you can manage all the pages that are on your home page. You can insert them, you can delete them, whatever you want to do, you can do it from here. So from manage front end, basically you can change the front end settings. So here you can see front end images and front end logos, front end headings, all the details you can do it from here. So this is a banner section. For example, if I want to edit about section, you can do it from here. So this is about and this is trade section. You can change all the details that are on your website homepage from here, similarly as these trade, about, banner section. So these are the manage log, support tickets, and some subscriber options. So this is the latest version script available. If you want to buy the script, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. Don't waste your time and buy the script from us and contain your and make your own website of trading. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.